Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to copy your Fiverr profile link from PC. This is a handy skill to have when you want to share your profile with potential clients or add it to your portfolio on social media platforms. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the Fiverr homepage where you can access all your account features. Now look toward the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Profile. This action will take you directly to your public profile page, the exact page that clients and visitors see when they want to learn more about your services. Once you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the top of your browser where the address bar is located. This bar contains the URL of your profile, which is the link you need to copy. Click directly on the URL in the address bar to highlight it, then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. If you prefer using your mouse, you can right-click on the highlighted URL and choose Copy from the context menu that appears. Now that you've copied the link, it's a good idea to verify that it's working correctly before sharing it with others. To do this, open a new tab in your browser and paste the URL you just copied. You can paste it by pressing Ctrl+V or by right-clicking in the address bar and selecting Paste. Hit Enter and your profile should load up perfectly, confirming that the link is functioning as it should. Alternatively, there's another quick method you can use to copy your profile link. Simply click the Share button, then select Copy Link. This will automatically copy your profile URL to your clipboard without needing to manually highlight and copy from the address bar. And there you have it. You've successfully copied your Fiverr profile link from your PC. Now you can share this link wherever you need to promote your services and attract new clients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.